Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you DIY step-by-step facial at home with ingredients that are available in your kitchen. And if you don't find them, don't worry, I got you covered with some substitutes. A quick disclaimer, please do a patch test before you use any of these items so that you can make sure that you're not allergic to any of these. So let's head on to the home spa. The very first step of a facial is cleanser. For making your own cleanser, you will need 3 teaspoons of oats, preferably grounded, and then you will need milk powder. You can also use milk if you don't have milk powder, and then mix them well. Then, as a binding agent, we will add some water, or you can also add milk. You can skip this step if you had added milk in place of milk powder. Add 2 spoons of water and mix it well until you get a runny consistency as shown. You can halve the measurements used in this recipe if you're making it for one-time use only. Make sure you remove all your makeup before starting off. Apply this cleanser and gently massage and wash it off with lukewarm water. The oats help to remove the dry and dead skin cells, while the milk in it helps the skin to glow, smoothen and lighten. Don't forget to pat your face dry after washing. The next step is to exfoliate. For preparing the scrub, you will need 2 teaspoons of sugar, preferably powdered, and 2 spoons of almond oil or olive oil. The sugar has glycolic and alpha hydroxy acid contents, which help to maintain your skin's equilibrium, so it won't be too dry or too oily, so you're left with a naturally radiant glow. Olive oil helps reduce puffiness and improves skin tone. Gently scrub your skin for 5 minutes. Don't apply this under the eyes. Wash it off and then you're left with skin as soft as baby bum. The next step is massage. You can skip this step if you have extremely oily skin. Olive oil prevents sun damage, wrinkles and aging. You can mix it up with a couple other oils too. Massage in upward and circular motions. The next step is steam. Steaming your face for a good 5 minutes can open up your pores and helps loosen buildup of dirt. Make sure to pat your face dry. The next step is face mask. For this you will need 2 teaspoons of gram flour or grounded oats, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, don't add too much as it may stain, and a squeeze of lemon. And then add a spoon of plain yogurt. Mix them well until it's in a thick paste-like consistency. Apply this on your face and let it stay for 15 to 20 minutes. And then gently rub the dried up layer of mask while washing it off rather than scratching it out. The next step is lips. So this trick was told to me by my friend Jahanara. As you can see, my lips are all dried and chappy. Apply any white mint paste toothpaste and leave it on for 10 seconds. And then wipe it off or wash it off. What this does is it helps lighten and makes your lips plump. There you go. For the next step, that is scrub, you will need 2 spoons of sugar and 2 spoons of castor oil. The sugar helps exfoliate your lips and remove the dead skin cells. And castor oil, as a natural thickener, helps the sugar stay together and also moisturizes it at the same time. Scrub gently and then wash it off. For the last step, apply some castor oil to lock in the moisture. And these are the end results. The next step is tone. For this you will need a cucumber. Peel and grate the cucumber and juice it out using a blender. Once the juice is ready, you will need a lemon. Slice the lemon into half or a quarter and squeeze out about a spoon or two of lemon juice and then mix it well. If you have any grated cucumbers left, you can layer them in the ice cube tray, or you can just fill it up with that mixture itself. If you're planning to do the whole facial, I would recommend you to prepare this first, as you need to give time for it to form into an ice. Now I know usually toners are in the form of spray, but then making it in the form of an ice will help you close up the pores that you had opened while steaming, and it also gives a natural glow. And it also soothes and gives your skin a cooling effect. And here is the end result. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel if you're not already. Click that notification button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you try this out, don't forget to write down your experience in the comment section below. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you again in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.